So I'm making a slow motion video to check the spring tension on the hammer. The tension, I initially adjusted it to what some recommendations were, and it was pretty close. So what you want is the hammer head to come up smoothly and go back down. If it's too tight, what will happen is it'll come up too fast, hesitate, go up again, and then come back down. You don't really worry about the downstroke because of your different varying material thickness. If the head comes down and it's a thick piece of material, it can actually hop a little bit and then come back up. If you find that you're working a lot of thick material, you can adjust the crosshead here. It'll slide up and down a little bit on the crank arm. So I adjusted it and I think it's better. Let's give it a go.